Can you see? Welcome. Outside got people. Hello everybody, it's been long time since I came to a staycay, but welcome to this video. So today we are here at Southkey Hotel, and this is the urban room. And yeah, so upon entering the room, on the left is immediately the toilet already. Yeah, so maybe we will get to that later. Let's check out the room first. Come on, follow me. So there's like a full-length mirror here on your right, so you can check yourself out before leaving the room. Okay, so this place is rather cozy. I wouldn't say it's super huge lah. Yeah, but to be very frank, once I came into this room, I felt that it's very cozy. Nothing too fanciful, but it's cozy lah. So beside the wardrobe, we have the mini bar here. So they don't provide water bottles here, the usual plastic one. So they gave you this. So there's a water cooler outside. You can fill the water up, or if you want to boil your water, that's fine as well. So there's a water kettle here and some tea sachets. And then there's cafe coffee, and then just right below there's a mini fridge, and there's a little. They don't have the makeup room or the do not disturb, so you have to put this outside your room on the handle. I'm resting, ready to clean. Ta-da! This is the wardrobe, and then there's a sink here, and then a laundry bag. There's a weighing scale. There are 2 bathrobes. There's a swimming pool here, but we might not be going to the swimming pool because we didn't bring our swimming costume. Yeah, and then there's a ironing board. Ta-da! These are 2 bedroom slippers. So here's the extra pillow that I mentioned about earlier on. Yeah, so welcome to the bedroom area. Okay. Beside the bed, right, they have a lot of switches, but they never specify like which is for which, so you have to figure out yourself. And then there are a few plugs here where you can charge your handphone beside the bed, so that's good. And yeah, so there's a telephone there. And they have a TV, and they have free movies inside here. They gave us a high floor, so we are at the 23rd floor. And you can oversee like the Mid-South Valley area of a Bay, okay? It's a bit awkward, but they have the luggage right here. Usually it's near the entrance or the wardrobe side, right? But it's here lah, but whatever works, you know. So this is like a little balcony for you. You can sit here for those who want to Instagram, lie here, look at the sky, find the clouds, think about the day. You can do it here. And this is the makeup area where you do your makeup. So it's a little table, but guys, let me tell you, let me show you some magic, okay? 1, 2, 3. Oh, missed. 1, 2, 3. Ah! See, you can do your makeup here. Eh? So if you switch this off, then you don't have yellow light lah. Then you have white light, and then you can do your makeup over here. And you suddenly look like a goddess, very fair, very well, like a Cinderella, Snow White. Okay? Alrighty, so this is a very simple room tour cause the room ain't very big, but we're gonna stay for 1 night. So if you want to check out like the Mid-Valley Southkey area, right, this is a very good place to stay because it's connected to the shopping mall itself. And then if you want to go for like a midnight movie, there is one at Mid-Valley Southkey, so you can just go for a midnight movie and you come back. You don't have to worry about not being able to get back to the hotel safely in that sense, you know what I mean. That's all for the room tour. We are gonna head to Mid-Valley Southkey to do some shopping, and then we are gonna have our dinner at some hot pot place, I believe, and then we are gonna head to Bangkok Spa to do massage. So that's about it. See you later. 안녕하세요 여러분. I'm so sorry I forgot about the toilet. So follow me and I'll show you the mini and cozy toilet. Let's go. Oh, this is the aircon controller. It's right at the wall at the side. And then follow me. Let's go to the toilet. So it's a very small and a cozy one. So when you come in here, you can see the WC, and then just right beside you have the hair dryer, and thankfully this is detachable. Ta-da! You can. I'm sorry, it's not detachable. I thought it's detachable. That means I have to blow my hair here leh. And then the hand wash is ink and water. I haven't washed my hands yet Oops. Yeah. Then good thing is that the mirror also has the LED white light, so it makes my skin look fairer. Yeah, so they do provide simple amenities. So there's dental kits and shower cap and some cotton bud and some towels, mini towels. Okay, so they have rain shower as well as a shower head. And they provided shampoo and body wash. Same thing, no conditioner, so you have to bring yourself if you want to condition your hair. They installed the towel right here. Oh, can you see? Quite small, and then the door open here, a bit salah, but be careful. Please be careful, okay? Don't be like Lynette. So right now we are really done with the tour, and yeah, that's about it. See you. Good morning everybody. We are gonna check out now and gonna head to Mount Austin here to play some golf. No, I'm just kidding. Just that cause like our attire, as in my attire today, looks a bit like, you know, gonna play golf. Yeah, but anyways, we're gonna check out now. So just a very quick review about the room is that we had a good night's sleep. The bed is very comfy. They actually gave you like a soft pillow and a firm pillow. Okay, I wouldn't say very soft, it's just that one is like the normal one and one is like a higher and a firmer one. So it's really good because they get you get to choose according to your preference. And yeah, the bed really not bad. Then, but the one thing that I think that it could have been better is the toilet. The shower, the heater, right? It can be, you shift a bit, it can be very cold. Then you shift a bit, it can be super hot. There's like no correct, I would say comfortable temperature when you're showering. So you have to really hit the handle until you find like a sweet spot. And then the toilet door is like you have to turn and then kind of like squeeze in between. Then is that part, it wasn't very convenient because like clumsy people like me will keep hitting the door. And another thing is I cannot blow my hair on bed because it's attached in the toilet, as you see in the previous clips. So yeah, that's about it. The staff here are very friendly, good. So yeah, and then you can see behind, right, because our luggage is here, right? I think it's a bit inconvenient because we have to walk from the toilet here and it's very far. So if you feel that you're a bit anal about it, right, please shift the luggage rack to the door nearer the toilet so that you don't have to walk so far. We only realized it today. Then we woke up this morning and then we drew the curtains and then we saw two eagles, big eagles. The view here is quite good. You can just stand down there and admire and you feel like you're on top of the world. Because we're at level 23 so you know, great. It's a very quick one. And I would come back again for the accessibility and the bed. Yeah, so it's not too bad. Alright, it's lunchtime and we have to go out now and makan already. So thank you for watching and goodbye.